This is a set of 4 cows. It comes with a compact sound system to create the authentic sound of cows mooing, by Fowler in HO gauge. The system requires either a 12 volts DC, or 16 volts AC auxiliary power supply to operate. In the box, you will find the cows and sound system ready for installation. The cows come fully painted, and are independent of the sound system, so can be placed on a diorama or layout in a place of your choosing. The soundboard and speaker can be hidden under the baseboard, or in a suitable model building. There is no switch included in the pack, as each model will prefer a different type, but the system can be operated by any switch, from a simple on-off switch, to an automated setup involving reed switches and relays. Once power is supplied to the circuit, the sound effect will last for several seconds before a re-trigger is required. Full instructions are also included to help with installation. The cows with working sound effect set by Fowler. The soundboard measures 45 by 25 mm, and the speaker measures 35 by 20 mm. Both have a depth of 10 mm.